Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be tying up some loose ends before we go on vacation. So I'm going to be cleaning up the house just a little bit more before we leave, as well as cleaning up my new storage containers that I got, because the girl always is getting more storage containers. Why? I don't know. It's becoming an addiction. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up everything. Then I want to go ahead and add just a little sprinkle of fall to the living room. So if you guys are interested in that, please do stay tuned. I've been really considering changing the cover of this sofa. I'm not sure if I want to use a more cream color or if I should just color the entire sofa gray, because the black part of the sofa holds onto a lot of dust. You guys know how black is when it comes to dust. It shows it very easily, and I'm kind of over it. So I'm thinking about reupholstering this myself. I really think I can do it. I really do have that kind of confidence in myself that I can do it. So what do you guys think? Should I give it a try? And also the black holds on to my stepdaughter's hair. Well, you can see it more. Her hair sheds a lot. I mean, a lot. It's all over everything. And she doesn't have to brush her hair or anything. It just sheds a lot. And for me, that has kinky curly hair and I don't have that much shedding, it makes me wonder if there's something wrong, because it's an abnormal amount of shedding. It's not that 100 strands a day, it's more like breakage. So I don't know if I can give her something for her hair or whatnot, but it sheds a lot and it's all over everything and it's kind of disgusting, but what can I do, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue cleaning off this sofa, and then maybe later on down in the future I will take you guys along with a lot of things that I want to change inside this living room to make it look a lot more modern and updated, because right now it's kind of looking blah. It's looking blah and I'm over it and I'm ready for something nice and fresh. So stay tuned for that. So I have some bananas that I need to get rid of before we leave. So I thought, why not just make me some oatmeal banana muffins? I can carry them on the road. It's a great source of fiber and it's easy to go, ready to eat snack. So I thought, why not do that? So I'm just going to make me some banana muffins and I'm going to make it without sugar. So the banana is the only sweetener that I'm relying on here. I find that it is a lot more healthier if I don't add the sugar. Plus, when it comes to bananas, you don't really need the added sugar inside your muffins or cake or whatnot. I literally add maybe a spoonful if I do add sugar, but you don't need it, especially if the bananas are sweet, and these bananas were very sweet. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in all of my ingredients. If you guys do want this, I could add it down below for you guys. Just let me know, but it's a pretty basic muffin or bread or pancake. Let's say pancake. If you make pancakes from scratch using oats, then this is an easy pancake recipe. So I'm just going to add some milk, an egg, my banana, of course, my oats, some baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And I'm going to mix that up and add everything together. And then I have a secret ingredient that I like to use, and it is a spoonful of regular all-purpose flour. Now you can grind up or you can blend down the oats and make oat flour, or you could just use a spoonful of oat flour if you want to just keep it all, gluten free. But I add 1 spoonful of regular all-purpose flour and it gives it that nice bready texture. So if that's something you guys like in a cupcake, that bready texture, then that 1 spoonful of flour is the game changer right there. Okay, so we're just going to pop this in some cupcake sheets, put it in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, and that is it. I also added some raisins, but if you guys don't like raisins, you can go ahead and add nuts or chocolate chips or whatever you like. And that's basically it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to give your girl a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed this yet, please remember to subscribe before you leave. Comment down below because you guys know I love chatting it up with you guys. And I will see y'all in my next video. So until then, enjoy the rest of this video and I'll see y'all in the next one. Cheers!